Welcome to our channel. If you want to upgrade your United Airlines seat for a more comfortable flight experience, follow these step-by-step instructions to secure better seating or cabin upgrades. Step 1. Go to united.com or open the United Airlines mobile app and sign in to your Mileage Plus account. Step 2. Click on My Trips or Manage Reservations to view your upcoming flights. Step 3. Select the flight booking you want to upgrade. Step 4. Look for Change Seat, Upgrade, or similar options in your reservation details. Step 5. Browse available upgrade options such as Economy Plus for extra legroom, Premium Plus for enhanced amenities, or Business Class for premium service. Step 6. Check if you qualify for complimentary or discounted upgrades based on your Mileage Plus status. Elite members often receive preferential upgrade pricing. Step 7. Select your desired upgrade option and review the cost in cash, miles, or a combination of both. Step 8. Complete the payment or miles redemption process. Your upgraded seat will be assigned immediately and reflected on your boarding pass. You'll receive confirmation via email and can view your new seat in the app or website. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.